Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. In today's video in the National Flood Insurance Program course, we're talking about elevation certificates. Man, this is a touchy subject. Now, we probably get 100 questions a day on this subject, and today we want to address some of those questions for you. So let's talk about elevation certificates. Let's answer the burning question. First of all, are elevation certificates required? Now, traditionally in the legacy program with the National Flood Insurance Program, elevation certificates were required if you have what was called a post-firm structure. This was a structure that was built after the first flood map, and it was in a special flood hazard area like an A zone or a V zone. However, with Risk Rating 2.0, which is the new FEMA program, the new National Flood Insurance Program, elevation certificates are no longer required. Does that mean they don't help? No, they can help in many situations. Today though, we want to talk a little bit too about some of the changes with elevation certificates. Traditionally, you had more than 10 different diagram numbers with elevation certificates. Now, thankfully, with the release of Risk Rating 2.0, a lot of these things in elevation certificates have been changed. For example, they've gone from more than 10 different diagrams, which can be confusing, all the way down to 6. They simplified things like crawl space and elevated buildings, slabs, basements, all different things like that. So there's really only 6 diagrams now, and you can see the 6 diagram types right here on elevation certificates. So this is how elevation certificates work. Now, the other burning question is, will an elevation certificate help me? Now, the important thing now is with Risk Rating 2.0, an elevation certificate won't hurt you because of the data FEMA's using. FEMA's using some pretty advanced technology now to determine the elevation of different properties. That's why elevation certificates are no longer required. However, an elevation certificate could help you. Let's just say you do get one 3 months after you've set up a new policy. You may be able to go back to the original effective date of that policy, using the benefits of that elevation certificate, saving yourself more money. So don't just throw out the idea of getting an elevation certificate after you've set up a policy, because it could possibly help you. But it's important to remember, things to take away from this video is elevation certificates are no longer required. Diagrams have been taken down from more than 10 diagrams to 6 diagrams to simplify things. So, if you've got any other questions on elevation certificates, please reach out to us or visit our website where we've got all the information on there for you on elevation certificates. And if you need to order elevation certificates, you can do that through our website as well. Thank you.